Hey guys, Jason here with ACS. Going to give you some information here on your air filtration. This is your filter. Most AC units have 1, 2, maybe even 3 or 4 of these things, right? Is that air handler, which is what's behind me here, is it's sucking in air to condition to blow into your house. We take it through a filter first. That is to catch all of the dust, the pollen, dirt, pet hair, all the things that are floating around in your house that you want to get out. It's going to go through here, it's going to collect on here, and eventually it gets all stopped up, restricts the airflow, causes the air conditioning system to not work and perform as efficiently and as good as it can. Okay, so we recommend that you replace this every 30 to 90 days depending on your situation. You can grab these at any local hardware store. Most of you guys, if you're a homeowner, you know about the whole filter situation. But if you're having issues, this is the first thing that we would tell you to check. Change this filter, get a good one in there, clean one. We recommend a pleated filter. It's got the little zigzags to it. This one actually has a coating on it to help catch pollen for this time of the year. But change that out every 30 to 90 days and keep your air clean in your house.